Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is my special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. And I'm pretty excited to open this up. This is the Adidas collaborate with the Neighborhood, with this Japanese brand design. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. First, when they first dropped at the Adidas.com, and I was kind of mad because I waste probably like 2 hours or more to try to cut this shoes. Well, actually, this is about 1 hour, more than an hour. For Williams was like 2.5 hours, I think. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. So I got an email from the BBC, which is a Billionaire Boys Club, and I was surprised they selling this at their website. I'm not sure why. So I go to their website right away, but unfortunately, the one that I want, the NMD one, it was also out. So I was glad that I can get my hands on this this item. So, which is give me a second chance. Ooh, nice. This is better than Adidas packaging. They even put a plastic bag over the shoes. They should, Nike and Vans and all other companies should follow the BBC's model, because last time I received the Nike Lunar edition, and the box was all scratched up, and then the one that I got, the Air Jordan 1 Retro 1, the box was all scratched up as well, and buyers do not want to have a scratch up box. I know some people, they don't collect the box, but if it's for resale, people want it to look like a spanky new, okay? So I'm glad I got the bag. I can use this for my packaging. Oh, it's kind of ripped it anyway. Still okay. So first of all, let's go ahead and unbox this one. This is the tee, and it has a Billionaire Boys Club's bags. So I like the Ziploc bag, so I could put it back in there later on. Wow, pretty soft material. I like it. Adidas Neighborhood. This is the original product. And this one retail for $60. You got this BRGD, best regards. NBHD stand for neighborhood. neighborhood right here. Jidong in, I don't know what's it. This is Chinese, but I guess Japanese, they use the same lettering, some of them. You got your Adidas logo and their brand right in the middle. It says craft with the pride. The brand with the 3 stripes. Let's see what's on the back. So on the back is plain, okay? So it's a pretty nice bag. Let's go ahead and then move on to the shoes. Let me give you the 360 of the view of the box real quick. I don't know why the tissue is sticking out, but and this one is a Gazelle Super size 9. And there's nothing on the back, on the bottom. Kind of crush a little bit, but what can you do? Oh man. So this is what I like about BBC. They only charge the price for the items only, free shipping, no tax. Okay, as you can see, the both item I paid $240, $180 for the shoes, $60 for the tee, and shipping is free. But the problem is all sales are final through them, okay? Holy, this is pretty light. So this one is a Perform insole with the Ultralight. Comfort from the inside out. And these are the hang tag that come with it, 3 of them. So this is like a knit material. Got your 3 stripes right here. Got the black lace. Then you got the Adidas and the neighborhood right here on the tongue. So I don't know, it's got plastic right here on the tongue. And the eye stay is velvet. Not velvet, suede. And then you got your neighborhood with the register logo on there. And you got the BRGD, best regard on your right foot. You got the honeycomb on the outsole. And the insole has Adidas and Neighborhood. And this is padded around your ankle area. Then your size label is right there. This is made in Vietnam. Let's see the shoe tree. Shoe tree is very small and tiny, but it's soft. And this is the other side, the other shoes, I mean. So what do you think, guys? I think this worth about $180. And then the other three styles was like $200, and then they all come with the boost technology. All right. So let's go ahead and then give you guys an on feed real quick. Let me take out the shoe tree on the left. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you guys are new. Be sure to hit that button and turn on the bell for notification. And thank you for watching. Please drop any on the comments down below. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.